Exciting times right now because search just split into three. You've got Google's blue links, you've got Google's own AI overviews, and you've got the answer engines eating into both of those: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, etc. This isn't really an update to SEO as we know it. This is a new version of it, one I like to call search everywhere optimization, as corny as that sounds. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to be pulling the proof search has fragmented, the one outside source winning across all three fronts, and what happens to brands that are not inside it. Google now shows an AI overview for a single blue link on a huge share of sources, and when it needs a source, it increasingly picks itself. Amsive Digital tracked Google citing its own content inside AI overviews, 17% of the time, up from 5%. Ahrefs found AI overviews now appearing on 14% of shopping queries, up from 2%, 1% a year ago. And then there's Graphite.io, who have put AI search sessions at 56% the size of traditional search worldwide. So what? The room brands used to compete in got smaller, and 3 new rooms opened next to it: ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, each with their own rules, who gets cited and who gets ignored. And now we move on to this. So this is what a modern analytics dashboard is starting to show. GA4, Google's own analytics tool, now lists ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude as standard referrers, not a plugin, not a workaround, built in since around May of this year. Google Search Console launched new AI performance reports in June, tracking AI overview citations, tracking AI-driven impressions, and sometimes clicks, but I think that's coming at a later date. 4 sources, 4 sets of rules for what gets cited, and one name keeps appearing across every single one of them as a trusted source: Reddit. The industry has already called Reddit's data feed, the Firehose API, quote, the SEO playbook, unquote, because the platforms building these answer engines are quietly treating Reddit as one of their most reliable inputs. Here's the part most agencies will not tell you. Everyone is selling a schema markup as the fix for AI visibility. Ahrefs analyzed 1,900 pages. Schema correlates with AI citations. It does not cause them. Their own words, quote, the ROI does not appear to be there, unquote, for schema-only AI strategies. So the code on your product pages was never the lever. The lever is being cited as a real, trusted source, somewhere Google and the AI models already trust. That somewhere right now, again, is Reddit. So what actually works? You've got 3 things. 1, audit your footprint. Search your product category in Reddit right now, today. Count how many threads mention you. Most brands count 0. This is really common. Number 2, treat threads like real estate. AI models are already citing them. Google is already ranking them. Being absent from that conversation now costs visibility everywhere, not only in Reddit. 3, build presence before you need it. Not adverts, not spam. Real participation in the threads your customers are already reading, months before an AI model decides which brand to recommend. So start yesterday. And then I have a little bit. If you're not in those threads already, a competitor already is. And when ChatGPT or Google's AI overview needs a source to recommend, it will cite the brand that showed up, not the one that stayed quiet. Search your product category in Reddit right now. If your brand's not showing, that is your gap to leverage. I have in here DM audit, but comment audit. Get in contact with me and we will pull a snapshot of your Reddit footprint for free. So yeah, I mean, the sort of resounding thing here is search everywhere or watch someone else get cited for search everywhere or watch someone else get cited everywhere instead. It's up to you.